Hello, this is Mohammed Abu Ziyadeh from 4A Middle East and Africa Dubai office. Today we'll talk about QDCAM camera. QDCAM camera, it's a high-speed box camera. It's a perfect solution for image analysis and sport judging analysis. The camera is a compact, as you can see. It's designed by MEDIAEDGE. It's come with 4/3 micro 4/3 amount lens. The camera support HD, 3G, as well as 4K, full frame DCI 4K in 4096 by 2160, also for cinema used, and also it supports broadcast used 4K for resolution of 3840 by 2160. So the camera also have 4x speed, so we can shoot up to 200 frame in 50p or 240 frame in 60p.